The bisector of the angle B and C of a triangle ABC meet the point R. Okay, the point P and Q lies on A, AB and AC respectively, such that PQ passes through R and parallel to BC. So first we have to illustrate this figure. So first ABC is a triangle. So we will say ABC. The bisector of B and C. So the bisector of B and C. So this is the bisector of B and C. Bisector of B meet at point R. Point R. The point P and C lies on AB. P lies on AB. That is P. And Q lies on AC. Q lies on AC. Okay. Such that. Okay, understood. Such that this is above. There is one point P, there is one point Q, but PQ is passing through R. Okay. Did you draw that? Show me that. Very good, very good. So now this is. So here we have. So this is P, this is Q. And this is parallel to
BC.
BC. This is parallel to BC, right? It's parallel to BC.
Right, so now this is the question. So now first we want to prove BE is equal to R here. P is equal to here. P is equal to PR.
Right. So what is the idea? So I'm not writing the data and everything. So I'm just simply going for the proof. Okay. So now see. This angle P in triangle PRB, in the triangle PRB, this angle is PRB. The angle PRB equal to x. So you can write down here. Take the P B R is equal to R B C equal to x, because this they are given bisector and given, so I extended here. So now this triangle, why this is x, this is equal to x, this is equal to x, why? Alternate angles, very good. Alternate angles. Alternate angle where PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, then this is equal because therefore PR, or I can say yes, PR equal to PB because these are sides opposite to equal angle. Side opposite to equal angle. Okay, so that is the idea. Now maybe we will use this idea. The idea we use pannakoodiyadha. Okay, so now I mark this equal. Okay, we have proved that. So read the second question. PQ is equal to PB plus QC. So the PQ, where is PQ? PQ is equal to, yes, PQ is equal to PB, obviously PB. PQ is equal to PB, yes, why? This is equal to this. So PB plus QC. QC what? This is equal to this plus this. And so on. What is the idea? Same technique in this triangle. Already we have tried this triangle and proved this is equal. Now you can try this in this triangle. This is alternate angles. This is parallel. This is alternate angle. So this is also y. Then this y, this y. So opposite sides are equal. Therefore this is equal to this. So PQ is equal to PR plus RQ. You can write down PQ is equal to PB. RQ is equal to QC. Therefore we can prove that. Understood? Got the idea? Okay. Write down this. So we can write down, take Q C R is equal to R C B is equal to Y. This is given, given the bisector. This is given bisector of the QC is RC is bisector of this angle C. So I took like that. So now I go for the in triangle RQC. In triangle RQC. In triangle RQC. In triangle RQC.
QRC is equal to RC.
QRC is equal to QRC is equal to
RCB.
RCB. Reason is what?
Alternate
Alternate angles, comma, what is the parallel lines?
angle.
PQ parallel to
BC.
BC. We have to write down this complete. Right now, O. So that is equal to, we can write that is equal to X only. This is equal to X and what to go down. Okay, that is equal to X. Oh, sorry, Y. Sorry, Y. Okay. So therefore, now the QRC is also, why we proved QRC equal to QCR that is equal to Y. Okay, that is equal to Y. Now in this triangle, these two are equal. Therefore, RQ is equal to QC. This is sides opposite to equal angle. Okay. Sides opposite to equal angles. So now we have proved this one also. This is equal to this. So now we know that PQ is equal to, thus PQ is equal to, we can write down PR plus RQ. This PQ is equal to PR plus RQ, so that the PR can be written as PB plus RQ. So PR is equal to PB. This is proved. Then this is PB plus, again RQ can be written as, RQ can be written as QC. QC, where QC is equal to RQ is also proved. So therefore PQ is equal to PB plus QC. This is what we have to prove. One. Okay, so this is again that page number 110, the question number 7. In triangle ABC, the point P lies on AC. Okay, so we simply first sketch this is ABC. Now, so the P lies on AC. So the P lies on AC. There is P somewhere here. Such that the ACB, okay, this angle equal to ABP. Okay, AC is equal to ABP. Right, that's all. Again, the bisector of PBC, PBC, this one. This is the PBC. Bisector of PBC. So meet the point AC at Q. Okay. So we have to prove that AB is equal to PQ. Okay, so this is that. We'll check it. This figure is right. The triangle ABC. The point P lies on AC. Okay, and then such that the ACB, this angle and this angle, ABPs are equal. This and this are equal, and also the bisector of PBC is intersecting the AC at Q. Okay, that is the correct diagram. So we will draw it again. So ACB again. Okay. This is P again. This is Q. Okay. So where this is and this angle are equal. Okay, I put X, and this is Y, because the bisector. Okay. Now this is right. Okay, so now we have to prove AB is equal to AQ. Where is AB? AB is equal to AQ. So this is AB, this is equal to AQ. AB is equal to AQ. So AB is equal to AQ and proof fundamental. Obviously, the AB ku opposite angle, AQ ku opposite angle equivalent to that is the idea. Okay, this angle and this angle are same at the cardinal center. Right? Take this angle, that is ACB equal to A. So tell me AB. This angle is equal to ABP, that is equal to X. Okay, this is given. Again take PBQ is equal to QBC. This is also given, this is also Y. I take as a Y, this is given because bisector. This is given because this is bisecting, this angle is bisected by this line. This is given. So now see, triangle AQB. AQB. In triangle AQB, see this. In triangle AQB, what is this angle? ABPQ is what? ABQ is equal to
X plus
AB, yes, x plus y. AB plus PB. Tell me, PBQ. This is equal to x plus y. Yeah, x plus y, x plus y. Okay. ABQ is x plus y. Okay, right. Now see, இதை நான் எப்படி x plus y என்று காட்டுறேன்? What is the idea? Now see, AB யும் AQ யும் equal என்று காட்டணும். இப்போ AB equal to AQ mean the opposite angle should be equal என்று காட்டணும். Okay, the opposite angle, இதுக்கு opposite angle this, and இதுக்கு opposite angle this one. So this two red arm, two should be equal. So, but we know this is equal to simply x plus y only. Okay, this is x plus y. This is also, it should be x plus y. How?
exterior. Sum of interior.
Yeah, sum of interior angle. Now, good idea. So now see, this is equal to in this triangle. So now you can write down. So now go to the in triangle QCB. In this triangle, the angle BQA and BQP and not better, so we will completely write down because we are trying to prove this angle, this in this triangle. So don't write BQP. Okay, BQA is equal to QCB plus CBQ. Very good. CBQ. What is the reason? This is important. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Very good. Interior opposite angle. Okay, right. So now tell me BQA. So now tell me QCB. Where is QCB? Okay, we don't know QCB. Where is QCB? Yeah, QCB is this also equal to QCB. Yes or no? ACB என்றதும் QCB என்றதும் ஒரே angle தான். So therefore, this is equal to you can write down simply put write down x. Otherwise, you want to substitute as ACB plus again CBQ. Okay, right? CBQ is okay. So this is x plus y. So this is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. From 1 and 2, what we can say? AB Q is equal to BQ A. So now you prove these two angles are equal. So therefore,
AB is equal to
yes, very good. Therefore, AB opposite angles, AB equal to AQ because sides opposite equal angle. Okay, write down this. Right opposite equal angle. Question number 10. Again, read the question number 10. Circle of a center A is given in the figure, so we will go there. Again, this is being done like this. So this is A, this is O, center B, and This is C. So now this is C. Okay, we have to show that. Very easy question this one, I think. Yes or no?
Yes.
Show that BOC is equal to 2 times BAC. I'm going to learn something very easy questions. Okay. So what is that? Can you start? Do this? BOC. Where is BOC? BOC. This one. And BAC. How can we prove?
OA is equal to OC.
Yes, very good. That is the idea. So now you can start with the. You can start now. That is the idea. In triangle OAC, OA equal to OC. What is the reason?
Radius of the circle.
The radius of a circle. Okay, that is. These two are equal. Right. Therefore, angle OAC
equal to AC.
very good. OAC equal to ACO because this is the angle opposite equal sides. Angle opposites equal sides. So now tell me. Now we got the answer. Next line answer. What is the?
XC red.
Yes, I'm of X. So now, these two angles. If we add these two angles, we will get this. Okay. So now we can say BOC, angle BOC equal to BAC in the angle, ACO plus ACO. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Sum of interior opposite angle. So now we can represent that ACQ is equal to OAC and BAC. Okay. So now I can write BAC plus the ACQ can be written as BAC. So this is equal to 2 times BAC. Okay.